Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to follow someone or actually follow a shop on Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually opened your browser, you'll find yourself here at this page. Of course, not maybe totally this page because that's my own browser, but of course, for you, once you open your browser, just go to the URL section of your browser and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and if you are logged in into your account, you'll find a welcome back sentence with your name here. Now, of course, if you are not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll find a sign in option at the top right corner. If you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account or even to create your account if you don't have one. Of course, if you click on it, you'll be able even to create or log in into your account with a Google account, Facebook account, or even an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account, and it will be much faster. So once you logged in into your account or created your account, as I said, you'll find yourself here at this home page or at this main page with the welcome back sentence, of course. So as we said in the beginning of the video, you would like to follow someone or maybe follow a shop. So simply, if we would like to do that, or to follow an Etsy shop or crafter, you would like to click add the person name in the shop owner. So let's say as an example, let's just enter this item as an example. So now we would like to scroll down a bit until I found meet your seller. So of course here the owner is this, the Gift USA. So of course I'm just going to click add the name here. And as you can see, I will find his shop right here. So of course, once I did that, I'll have the option of following this shop as you can see here. So once I click that, as you can see, I can view my favorite shops and I'll be even be able to remove it from my favorite shop by just clicking at the heart icon again, and it will be removed from my favorite shops. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.